Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to animate character easy and free. This is just AI doing the work. You don't need to know how to design or create a character or draw a character. Here is AI doing its work, or here is AI working it for you. Now to do it, what you do is just open your ChatGPT. First, we will create a character like this. Open your ChatGPT. Now here you can see the ChatGPT. Now here, what you will do is just, if you want the character to be like you can here click on this icon here, then click on file, then upload the character, or upload the character you want it to be like this. But here I will use one of the character I found to show you an example. Here I will click on it. Now I will wait for it to upload. As you can see, now what I will do now is to write the prompt. Just watch closely. Here I'll ask it to generate a 3D. Generate a 2D. You can ask it anything depending on the character you want to generate. You can describe the character you want it to generate. Just what I will use here is 3D to show you an example. Now here I'll ask it to generate 3D male cartoon character, comma. You can also tell it how you want the studio to be like. Here I'll ask it to make the character to sit on YouTube Studio. Here, sitting on YouTube Studio, sitting in A. This is what I want it to wear. Here is where how I want it to face. Now here, describe the aspect ratio you want it to be. You can see the aspect ratio on the screen. Here is the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is the dimension you want it to be based on the platform you are uploading the video. Here, describe the aspect ratio here like this. Now, as you can see the aspect ratio. What you will do now is just click on generate like this. By clicking on this up arrow icon here, just click on generate. Wait for it to generate. As you can see, it is working on it based on the picture I just uploaded. As you can see, we have to wait for it to process because it's not only us that is generating image at this time. As you can see, it is processing it. Now, as you can see, it have just created, you see it. Now, what we do now is to download this picture like this by clicking on it, and then click on save here. As you can see, you have downloaded it. What you do now is go back here. Now, the next thing you do now to animate it, what you do is just open your browser and find this website this AI website to Hedra like this. Here, click on it. You can see I'm already in the Hedra too. You can see it. The link is in the description section. All the tool I use, the link is in the description section for you to find it and download it or access the AI tool. Now here, what you do is just click on this video here. Now here, you can see audio script, you can see character. Here, first click on the character to upload the picture here. Now here, click on upload here. Now here, click on I consent in order for you to access your file here. Now here click on it again like this, and here click on upload. Now here click on the character and then click on done. Now here upload the audio script here by clicking on it like this. Now here you can find generate speech. Now here you can find record audio. You can use your voice. Now here you can click on upload audio. Here click on upload audio. Here I will use an audio I just generated using AI. Here click on it. Now here go to where you save the AI audio voice like this. Now here I will click on download. Here I will find the place I save it here. Now here click on the AI generated voice here. As you can see it here. Now here you can also edit it by here editing the voice, filtering noises, removing. Now here clicking on removing background noise, which also, but here I will go direct because I have already edited my voice in the AI voice editor. What I will do is just click on here, is add to video here, click on it. Now here you can also add some prompt to the character, but here I will use only hand gesture. Here I will use only hand gesture, but you can also add even head movement gesture also. Here I will use hand gesture. Now after writing the prompt, what you do now is just click on this up arrow icon here. As you can see, it is generating. You see it, wait for it. You know, if you are using a free version of something, it seems to be different even in the speed of generating, so we have to wait for it to generate. As you can see, the Hedra AI have completed generating it. Now what you do is to test it by clicking on this play icon here and wait for it. Now to download it, what you do is just press on the screen like this. Now click on download video here. As you can see, it is downloading. You see it here. As you can see, the downloading is complete. Now open it. Let's check if it's generated very well. Now click on it here. If this channel add value to you, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you found this video helpful, keep visiting this channel for more helpful tech tutorial because I'm here to give you the best. So keep on watching my video, keep on visiting, and also keep yourself updated. Now let's go back to the Hedra AI tool. Now here, go back. Now here inside the Hedra AI tool, the bonus tip which I will give those who watch till this end is you can get credit here by clicking here. In case this credit run down and you want to keep generating, you can get credit by using temporary email address to log in again and get another credit, new credit to use to generate your AI character animation. Also, if you have enough money, you can click on this upgrade plan in order to increase the limit of your AI image generation. So that's how to use it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now, see you on the next video. You can find a link to every tool or every sources I used to create this image in the description section. Now, see you on the next update, please. If this channel add value to you, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you found this video helpful, keep visiting this channel for more helpful tech tutorial because I'm here to give you the best. So keep on watching my video, keep on visiting, and also keep yourself updated.